Hey guys, Jordan here. Before we dive into this video, I just want to say that you can sign up for the complete course, The Ultimate Photographer Formula, free of charge. It is an email course, so you'll get one video a day over the duration of 65 days as you progress through the course. And you can sign up for that free of charge by clicking the link in the description. Enjoy the video. In this video, we're gonna go over the settings that we use for shooting aerial photography. Now, we spent a lot of time, effort, and energy testing all different shooting modes and settings. We found that for excellent quality and a simple workflow, that single exposure DNG RAW files is the way to go. We found that there wasn't significant improvements in image quality when shooting multiple exposures and HDR modes. We found that the DNG RAW files from DJI drones do a great job preserving details in the highlights and the shadows of the image. If you shoot in JPEG, you will definitely be limited on your editing options. Now, in regards to camera settings, you can shoot in manual or automatic mode, but we recommend shooting in automatic mode as it typically delivers great results without much work on your part. If you're shooting RAW, you can adjust white balance in the editing process even if the camera didn't get it right when shooting. One thing to remember is to keep an eye on your exposure. It is easier to bring up shadows than to recover highlight information that isn't there. It is easy to adjust your exposure up or down during the shoot by adjusting the EV settings. Alright, so here's a recap of our aerial photography settings. We shoot in file type JPEG plus RAW or just RAW depending on the drone and what options it has. For photo size aspect ratio, we set that to 4:3 unless 3:2 is an option, like the Mavic 2 Pro. For camera settings, we set that to auto. For white balance, we set that to auto. For color, we set that to normal. And for photo shooting mode, we set that to single. Alright, so that's a quick overview of our aerial photography settings. If we make any additional adjustments, we'll be sure to update our quick reference sheet for our settings in the bonus section of this course. As always, if you guys have any additional questions, feel free to reach out, and we'll see you guys on the next one.